How are you?
Yes, hi, how are you?
So it's evening, you right? It's your evening time, like
Yes,
six p.m.
it's almost 6:30.
Yeah, because I have another client in Australia, so I talk with her regularly. That's why I know the time zone.
Okay, great, yeah. Um, yeah, I'll just get my mom to come.
Mhm.
Okay, just 1 second.
Okay.
Mom, we're on. How long have you been on Fiverr for?
Uh, I have been working last 3 years.
Three.
I have 4 Fiverr accounts working with lots of clients. I have an agency,
Yeah, great.
so I work with.
Um, you- Hello, can you see me?
Yes, I see.
Your background, your house looks beautiful. Is that
Raisa, Raisa. Oh, my wife may be in the second floor. I bring
yes?
her.
Okay, so we are a family business.
Yes.
My son, Richard, is very smart.
He looks also
we
pretty.
haven't come across that way starting with the WhatsApp. Okay.
Yes.
So he is starting a business himself
Mm-hmm.
with his own money, and he's looking for people to help him make money.
Yes.
Okay. So it's his well saved money. So I just want you to know that from go get. And um, he is determined to be successful. Okay. So he's in a rush. Okay. So I'll hand you over to Richard. Okay.
So, Richard, your business is new, your store is new, right? So,
Yes.
no one know, like familiar with your business. No audience, previous audience, no visitors in your website, right? So,
No, correct.
so
No money.
did you hire any SEO expert? Because when you run a business for a long time and you want to get more money, then you have to go the every sector. Okay, like you have to listing local listing. Do you know? Do you familiar with local listing? Facebook local listing.
No. No.
Okay, so I'll train up you how to do it. It's a 5 to 10 minute job. Okay, because people who live in your neighbor, so you can note down. Okay, so because this is a organic way, Facebook, Instagram, which places you will promote your business, they will take money, because without money they will not reach your business, right? So without money you can reach your business your local area, like you are live in Sydney, so you can promote your business in local area without money. So how you can promote it, right? So Facebook have an option for promoting the business in local listing. Okay, local listing. So I'll show up you how to do it, no problem. So you will get few order from your local people. We will run our campaign in your local area, but without any costing. If you do every day like 5 to 10 minutes, if you expense, then you can do local listing. Okay, that's a good thing, because you have to do it every day, local every day, because 24 hours it will again vanish. Okay, so and your few local like groups, you have a like buy and sell local groups, like Australians buy and sell local groups. I will show up you, no problem.
What do you mean gross? What is gross?
I will show up. Okay, I will show up from your computer how to do it. So that's the one things. Second things is Facebook and Instagram is a place where you can promote your business by expense, like per day $10, $20. Okay, so as new business, you have to start little by little, not every day $20 first, because you look for money, you look for business. Okay, so you have to go slow and steady. There is a proverb like slow and steady wins the race. So we have to go slow and steady. Okay. And another thing is you were talking about the Google ads. Obviously, we will do Google ad also. Okay. So for Google ads, need to set up Google Ad Manager, Google account, everything. I will do from your computer everything, because I need the access like business information, your card information were set up there. Facebook business managers need to create like okay. So in this three way, you can instantly run your business. Okay.
Yes, understand. Yeah.
And another thing, the SEO. So did you hire anyone for your business?
Yeah, I've already hired someone.
So it's a local people or from Fiverr?
Fiverr.
Fiverr. So how did he or she charge?
That's it's not a lot of money. It's a good deal.
How?
Sorry.
How much they charge for the SEO?
It was $200 US a month.
$200 US a month. So from which country they working with you?
In India.
In India.
India, yeah.
India. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So they already start. They already start your job.
They're already starting. Yes, they've already started. Yes.
Okay, fine, no problem. So if you want, you can go with me also from the next month for full package. So your few money will save. Okay.
Yeah, I already started.
I know. I said that you can go with me next month. From the next month for the SEO also, I will give you $50 discount. Okay. Because I look over everything, so I will give you few discounts so that you can save few money. Okay.
Okay. Thanks.
That's I give you the offer for the next month, not for this month, because you already paid them for that. Okay.
Yes.
So that is the later we will discuss. No problem. So for right now, we have to set up the business account like Facebook business account and Google business account for run the ads. Okay. And we have to connect that account with our Facebook, with our Facebook and our website first. Okay.
Yes.
And we need to create our shop, Facebook shop, catalog. Then we are ready to run the campaign from the Facebook. And again, we have to set up the Google ad account. Okay. Then after creating everything, we will ready to run the campaign, right?
Yes, understand.
So which area these this product you are looking for men, women both, or only women? It's like kitchen related product. Sometimes both. Okay, both. So which area you want to promote? Whole Australia, or where your targeted marketplace where?
Australia first.
Australia first.
Yeah. Tell him all the sale.
You can come directly.
I have the ability on the website to sell it anywhere in the world, but I want to target Australia.
Okay, you can promote your business anywhere. It doesn't matter, but you have to target little by little. When you target 2-3 countries, then your expense would be more, because you know that in the English-speaking country, Facebook charge more. Suppose per $10 we can reach 1,000 or 2,000 people. Okay. So every day your cost would be more. So that's why you have to target first Australia. Then let's see how many people visit, how many people comes to our website. Then we'll decide later. Okay, because step by step we have to go. And I'll show up you how to local listing. That's a good thing. You can promote without any money. Directly people message you. So
Yes.
are you available for send them message or talking with direct like in messenger? Are you
Yes.
available? If people message you, so you are available for that?
Yes.
Okay, because then later if I don't ask, then you tell me, hey Johnny, people message me.
I have email on my website.
Mm-hmm. No.
So that's the way.
People who comes our website, they will, if they want to purchase, then they will purchase directly from website. That's one thing. Okay. Another thing, the Google which we run, then it's also they will purchase from the website directly. But in local listing, this which is free, then people message you for the price or for the like link, how many price, what delivery charge, like that something, etc.
But by email.
No, it's direct messenger, your Facebook messenger.
I don't have that.
You join it. You will join, no problem. I'll show up you how to do it. Okay, no problem.
Okay, thanks.
So let's. You have time now, or you will go to sleep? It's 6 p.m. So not.
No. I have time. I have dinner a little later.
Okay.
But how long will we need to chat for?
We need no. Not right now. No need to chat. When you put the product on Facebook, then people who want to purchase your product, they can send you message for purchase. Okay. Then you can send them your website URL, or you can tell them the price, like that way. Not every people message you. Who want to purchase, they can message you. This is a local business, free, in free way, because you have to focus on that, because this is a free way. I will promote everything by expense, by dollars, but it goes to the direct website. Okay. But which local listing, it goes to your personal messenger. Okay. So people, so this is one thing you have to follow right now. When our business is established, then we will not do the local listing. Okay. Because if we run campaign every day, not getting any sales, then you will in danger. You will facing like a few frustration. I have expense lots of money, guys, so I didn't get any result. That's the things. Okay.
Yes.
You got my point? What I'm saying?
Understand. Yes.
Okay. So you will go to now for lunch or now dinner or later?
Dinner now.
Okay, so you finish your dinner, then message me, because I haven't lunch yet, because my time is noon time here, 2:30 p.m. So I will take my lunch and you will complete your dinner, then call me back. Okay?
Okay, no problem. In about half an hour.
Yes, half an hour, no problem.
Okay, great. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Because we need 1 hour, more than 1 hour to set up everything. So that's why need to take time. So finish your dinner. I will finish my lunch. Then we'll do join again in the same link.
Okay, great. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.